How to change language in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize that. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here you'll be able to find different options and settings. So, if you slowly scroll down, here there's a section called Language and Appearance. Tap on it. On the top, tap on Language. So here there are some limited language that you can switch into. So simply select the one that you want to switch or add. So here I'm tapping on one. Now after you do this, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Now the whole interface will be changed and the language will be applied. So you're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.